Namaskar, I am Anand and you are watching Join for Education. In this class, I am going to solve some questions of differential equation. This class will be useful to the schooling students of class 12 having a subject mathematics as well as the JEE main or advanced aspirants to clear their basic concepts. Without any delay, I am going to start this class. Let's see. In this class, I am going to solve question number 7, question number 8, question number 9 and question number 10. Let's see the solution of question number 7. First of all, I am going to discuss the question number 7. xy equal to log y plus c and ask this question, verify first derivative of y equal to y square by 1 minus xy, and here given x into y not equal to 1. Hope that there is no problem to understand the question. Let's see the solution. From question, it is clear that we apply a product rule. So derivative of xy equal to first function, it means that x into derivative of y equal to, we write down here y dash, plus second function, it means that y, and derivative of x will be 1. Hope that there is no problem to understand up to this step, and the derivative of log y equal to 1 by y and derivative of y is the y dash. Derivative of c will be 0 because c is a constant. Hope that there is no problem to understand up to this step. So the next step here will be x into y dash plus y equal to y dash by y. Now by cross multiplication we get here, we write down here y equal to xy into y dash plus y square equal to y dash. Hope that there is no problem to understand up to this step. We keep y dash in the same side. Therefore, I move xy into y dash in the right hand side. Then in this step, in the left hand side, we have y square equal to y dash minus xy into y dash. Hope that there is no problem to understand up to this step. So here will be y square equal to, now we take y dash common, then here we get y dash and we write down here 1 minus xy. Now x minus y move in the left hand side, then we get here y square by 1 minus xy equal to y dash. So in this question ask us verify y dash equal to y square by 1 minus xy, and this is the verified. Hope that there is no problem to understand the solution of this question. Once again I am going to details the solution of this question. Let's see. So this is the question number 7. This is the question number 7, x into y equal to log y plus c, and ask us y dash or derivative of y equal to y square by 1 minus xy, and here x into y not equal to 1. So this is the solution. Here I have applied product rule and I got this one, x into y dash plus y into 1 equal to 1 by y into y dash plus 0. In the next step, I have got x into derivative of y plus y equal to derivative of y by y. At this step, after the cross multiplication, I get this step xy into derivative of y plus y square equal to derivative of y. Now we keep derivative in the same side and free from the derivative in other side. So I move xy into derivative of y in the right hand side, then in the left hand side I have y square equal to derivative of y minus xy into derivative of y. So in this step y square and we take common derivative of y at this step, then we get derivative of y whole start 1 minus xy. And the last step 1 minus xy move in the left hand side, then we get y square by 1 minus xy equal to derivative of y, which is verified. After that there is no problem to understand the solution of this question. Now I am going to solve question number 8. So let's see the solution of question number 8. This is very easy question. So y minus cos y equal to x and ask us verify this one, y into sin y plus cos y plus x equal to first derivative equal to y. After that there is no problem to understand the question. So we find out what is the value of x. So here the value of x is y minus cos y. When we put the value of x here, then we get y into sin y plus cos y plus y minus cos y cancelled out, then we get here y plus y into sin y. Let's see the solution. So the solution here will be derivative of y is y dash and derivative of cos y is minus sin y and derivative of y is this one and derivative of x is 1. Of that there is no problem to understand up to this step. So let's see here, minus minus here will be plus derivative of y plus sin y equal to 1. So we find out or put the value of x here. So from LHS this one will be what, y into sin y plus cos y and the value of x here will be plus y minus cos y into y dash or derivative of y. After there is no problem to understand up to this step, so we cancelled out here this one and this one. In the next step we get here y into sin y plus y into y dash equal to y. Hope that there is no problem to understand up to this step. So we multiplying both side by y, then we get this one. So let's see here, multiplying both side by y here. So y into y dash plus y into sin y equal to, here will be y. So if we put at a balance here and here, both are the same. So when we multiply this one, then this is the verified. Hope that there is no problem to understand the solution of this one. We have one more method to solve this question. Let's see the other method of the solution of this question. So let's see the solution of question number 8. Here y minus cos y equal to x. Now derivative both side with respect to x, then we get here y dash minus derivative of cos y is minus sin y, and derivative of y is y dash, and derivative of x is 1. So the here next step will be y, and here minus minus plus sin y into y dash equal to 1. Now multiplying both side by y, then we get here y plus y dash into sin y equal to y. When multiplying both side by y, then we get this step. Hope that there is no problem to understand up to this step. So let's see here, y into y, sorry, here will be y dash, here will be y into y dash plus y into y dash into sin y equal to y. Hope that there is no problem to understand up to this step. So we find out the value of from here y, then we get x plus cos y. So we write down here y into y dash plus here will be y into y dash into sin y equal to, the value of y here will be x plus cos x. So this is the verified. Hope that there is no problem to understand the solution of question number 8. We have also some more methods to solve this question. Let's see the solution of question number 9. So we have question number 9, and ask us verify this one y square into y dash plus y square plus 1 equal to 0. Here this one say that derivative of y. So let's see the solution of question number 9. So the derivative of x will be 1 and derivative of y will be y dash and derivative of tan inverse y will be 1 by 1 plus y square and derivative of y will be y dash. Hope that there is no problem to understand up to this step. Now by cross multiplication we get here 1 plus y dash into 1 plus y square equal to y dash. Hope that there is no problem to understand up to this step. Now we multiply by 1 this one, then we get 1 plus y square. When we multiply this one by y dash, then we get here plus y dash plus y dash into y square equal to y dash. Hope that there is no problem to understand up to this step. So let's see here y dash cancelled out, then next step here will be 1 plus y square 1 plus y square plus y square into y dash equal to 0. So this one will be 0. After the rearrangement we get this one. So we write down here y square into y dash plus y square plus 1 equal to 0. So this is the verified. Once again I am going to details this solution. So I have this question x plus y equal to tan inverse y, therefore ask us verified this one y square into y dash plus y square plus 1 equal to 0. So let's see the solution. This is the question number 9. So the derivative of x will be 1, derivative of y will be y dash and derivative of tan inverse y will be 1 by 1 plus y square into y dash. After the simple calculation we get this one. After the cross multiplication we get here 1 plus y 1 plus y dash into 1 plus y square equal to y dash. After the simple multiplication we get this one. We cancelled our y dash, then we get here 0. So after the simple calculation we get this one. If you want to obtain PDF of this solution, then write into the comment box. I will provide the handwritten solution or PDF of this handwritten solution. Hope that there is no problem to understand the solution of question number 9. Let's see the solution of question number 10. So this is the question number 10. In question number 10 we have y equal to a square minus x square over root. X is the element of open interval minus a to a and ask us x plus y into dy by dx equal to 0. dy by dx is also known as the y dash. So now derivative both sides. Let's see the solution of question number 10. So derivative of y will be y dash, and derivative of this one will be 1 by 2 a square minus x square over root into derivative of a square will be 0 minus derivative of x square will be 2x. Hope that there is no problem to understand up to this step. So next step here will be y dash equal to 1 by 2 under root a square minus x square into minus 2x. Now we cancel out 2 these 2 and these 2 cancelled out, then we get here minus x by under root a square minus x square. So from question, under root a square minus x square equal to y, so we put here this one. So here next step will be y dash equal to minus x by y. Hope that there is no problem to understand up to this step. After proper multiplication we get y, and for this one we write down here dy by dx equal to minus x. When this minus x move in the left hand side, then we get x plus y into dy by dx equal to 0. This is the verified. Hope that there is no problem to understand the solution of this question. Let's see the details once again. So this is the question number 10. In question number 10, this one is given y equal to a square minus x square over root, and ask us x plus y into dy by dx equal to 0 when y not equal to 0. So let's see the solution of this one. So derivative of y will be y dash equal to derivative of this one will be 1 by 2 a square minus x square over root, and derivative of a square minus x square will be a square is the constant, therefore derivative of a square will be 0, and derivative of x square will be 2x, and here is the minus sign, therefore I put here minus. So the next step here will be 1 by 2 a square minus x square over root, and 0 minus 2x equal to minus 2x. We cancelled out 2, then here we get minus x by a square minus x square over root. So from the question we put the value of a square minus x square. Let's see here, here will be x square. So let's see, here will be x square. So a square minus x square equal to y, so I put here y dash equal to minus x by y. After the cross multiplication I get this one y, and derivative of y is also written dy by dx equal to minus x. This minus x move in the left hand side, then I get this one, or final step, x plus y into dy by dx equal to 0. This is the verified. Hope that there is no problem to understand the solution of question number 9 and 10. All of these questions are from exercise 9.2, chapter differential equation. So hope that this class will be useful to the schooling students of class 12 having a subject mathematics, as well as the aspirants of JEE Main or advanced to clear their basic concepts. So now I am going to over this class. So thanks to all of you. Thank you very much. to stay with me till the solution of question number 7, 8, 9 and 10. If you want to obtain PDF of this handwritten solution, then write into the comment box and available your email address. I will provide this handwritten solution totally free of cost. So if you think this class is useful, then share to other students so that they also obtain or get benefit from this class. In the next class, I will solve some more questions of exercise 9.2. Till then, thanks to all of you. Thank you very much.